I'm here to solve your problems today. Problem solver Tyler here today. You have family and friends coming to your house. What are you gonna do? There's no more bedrooms left. I've got a perfect option for you, and that's this Murphy cabinet bed right here. We're gonna demo it, we're gonna show you how it works, and you're gonna decide if it's best for you in your house. So what are some cool features about this Murphy cabinet bed? One of the coolest things is it's movable. Unlike your traditional Murphy wall bed that is stationary and is stuck in one spot, this cabinet bed can be moved to whatever room is best suited for you, and it may change over time. Another cool thing about this is the top section here where we've placed this TV and those plants is it's stationary. Whether the bed is open and being used or not, you can continue to have that TV placed here or decorations there for your liking. As we look at this Murphy bed, you look at the front, it looks like a cabinet, it looks like drawers. However, these are just decorative. You can't open these drawers, but you do have this drawer feature down below where you can store pillows, blankets, sheets, whatever you need to help decorate the Murphy bed or just other storage that you'd like to use. Now let's get down to it and open up this Murphy cabinet bed. It's super simple. There's latches on both sides that keep it put together. There's a latch here, you need to unlatch, and then you walk over to this other side right here. You unlatch that, it now is unhooked so you can drop the cabinet bed. But before you do that, it's very important to pull out the drawer. So in this drawer, we have some pillows, but you pull that all the way out, and then there's a support here that you also need to pull out. This is very important so that the bed does not collapse as you open it up. So once it's unlatched and those support systems are pulled out, you want to lower the bed, and as you can see, there's a mattress built inside of the bed, and then you flip this over, which gives you the full size of the queen size mattress. And at that point, it's super easy and simple. You can pull this 6-inch foam mattress, which comes and is included in this Murphy cabinet bed. You just pull it out and you're ready to go. At that point, you grab your pillows or you grab your sheets. You can put it on your bed and get it ready for your guests to arrive and have a great night's sleep. One additional cool feature with this bed is as you've had the mattress laid out, they've made it so that there's adjustable shelves on both sides of the bed where you can open it up and create a shelf. This is a great place for your cell phones, the things that you place here at night. And what's really cool is on one of the two sides, there's a power outlet with USB ports as well. Now that your guests have gone back home, it's time to clean up. It's just as easy to put away as it was to put out. So you simply grab the pillows. Nothing can be placed inside here. That is one of the limitations with this bed, is anytime you want to put it away, you got to clear everything off. You can't leave things here, but it's super simple to put away. First, you want to make sure you grab the mattress, fold it up, and stick it in here. So that's one of the other limitations here, is it does come just in a queen size mattress, which is great because you can move this cabinet bed anywhere in the house that you would like. But if you wanted a king or a twin, this current Murphy cabinet bed does not come in those sizes. So as you go here to put it away, simply lift this up. There's nothing latched to the ground. You just lift it up, pretty simple. And then you do it again and it lifts up right into here. What you want to make sure is don't forget to latch the sides for safety reasons to keep it so it doesn't fall over. So both sides, make sure you get those latches put on. And then you slide in the support system. It just stays there. And then to clean it all up, you can put this away. If you want to add your pillows back into the sliding drawer, that's fine, whatever you want to put in here, and just slide it in here, and there it goes. That's how easy it is to put away the Murphy cabinet bed. A couple other things I want to make sure I mention before we're done today is price. These cabinet beds run just over $2,000, so they are higher on the price range, but you do get the mattress and the cabinet bed in one. Also, being that it's a 6-inch foam mattress, if it's heavily used over time, it will break down more than your traditional mattress. So be aware of those couple things. But overall, we love this Murphy cabinet bed. We think it's great for so many reasons and adds so much convenience to your home, especially when that guest or family member needs a place to stay. Thanks everybody for watching. We appreciate all the time you spend in watching these amazing videos that we're putting together to help educate you as a consumer. Like the video, And if you like to subscribe, ring that bell and for some other amazing product demonstrations and product reviews.